So yes, guys, good day, guys. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, Don Tech and Games. So today we'll be learning one major issue every Google user face. That's how to recover their lost or missing Google accounts. In the sense that you lose your password or you forgot your password. So let's teach you how to bring it back, or also your disabled Google account. So I'll be teaching you how to bring these back. Actually, ignore my search history. Let's just go ahead to Google account sign in. So I'm going to be clicking at Google account sign in, and let's see. So you can see this here, and this is my Google account. I'll just tap on this here, and let's just go ahead. Okay, this is one of my accounts. So let me sign up for my account here and open a new one. So that was my normal Google account, and let's see how to get an account that you actually forgot the passcode or whatever to. So I'm going to click on one. So this is the name of the account I can't access. umsa003 shift at gmail.com. So let's just see this at gmail.com. So I can't access this account, and I'm teaching you the various steps you need to follow in order to get this account back to you and back working, and you can go in. So next, and click on next because I want to sign into this account here until 03, and now they're asking for the passcode, and I don't know the passcode. So once you type and tell you no, you can't access this account because your password is wrong or your account has been locked. So let's go through the steps on how to get this account back. So just go ahead to click on forgot password. As easy as that. So forgot password. So you can use a passkey to verify it's actually you. Your device may ask you to scan a QR code before or using your, so click on try another way. So let's do another way. So enter the pass enter the last password you remember with this Google account, which you still don't know, and just going to try another way. So if you can actually get all those things, then you should get this working. So they said confirm the phone number you provided in the security settings. So if you really do remember the phone number, just go ahead to press on the phone number and you will get it done. So let's say, for example, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to change the country here to Nigeria. So that's wonderful. Yeah, 81061966610. So put in your country code and whatever and click on next. Then they will actually send you a listen to your phone. So if you're not signing to your phone like me, for example, I'm signing to my phone, I can just go ahead to click on my phone and get the account through there. You don't have it, you can just go on, I don't have my phone. So most people don't really have their phone. And if you get this information here, all what you have is on your device that you have it signed into. You can go ahead to create open the settings app, tap on Google, just read through everything and whatever and keep in the code that you have. So if you still don't have this code, click on try another way. So I'll be taking you through all the steps you can actually use to get it done. So just click on try and that way, and Google might give you this code coming up very soon. So once you've gone through all these things and they said you didn't provide enough info for Google to be sure this account is really yours, Google asks for this info to keep your account secure. If possible, when signing in, answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you've signed in before. Use a familiar Wi-Fi network such as home or whatsoever. So I'm telling you, this whatsoever would not even give you the answer. So using a familiar network, Wi-Fi network such as home or work is just basically meaningless. If you can't provide the password or you don't have any device you've connected to before on that same account, you won't get the account back. So don't even stress yourself on using a familiar Wi-Fi network thinking this is actually going to work. It won't work. So I'll be teaching you how to contact Google to get the account working back. So let's just go ahead to contact them using the way we could that's on X or X platform. So quite open your X application. I'll teach you how to contact them. So this is the best way to get through Google support real fast. So try to sign into your X account and let's get this work. Let's get the work done. So once you sign into your X account, so this is a very valid step you can actually use to get your account working well. So let's just get into it. And I'm trying to log into my X here. And once I'm done, I'll try to make a post. So this is how you have to follow. So to get them in your DM like this, that's like there in your chat and whatsoever that's you have to contact them here. So let's just go ahead. to see what will happen next. So yeah, this is my, so you have to contact Team YouTube or support from X, and let's see how to get this done. So what you have to do here is to go home here and click on your plus to make a post, and what you have to type here is about your issue. So I'm going to make as much posts as possible as I can, and make sure you check your X platform to see if they actually get to your stuff. So let's go ahead and set type here, I lost my Google account and I've been unable to recover it, or it's disabled. So if it's disabled, you put it has been disabled or whatever. Then what you have to do here is to tag the account of, yes, and you make sure you follow them at first. So let me copy this and Control X. That's like I want to copy this, and this is the account here you have to tag. So if you go to my profile and see who I'm following, actually, let's see it there. So let's go here to my profile. So let's view my profile here. This is my profile, and you check 28. So this is the account here. You have to follow both Google and Team YouTube. So make sure you follow both Google and Team YouTube. So once you are done, Team YouTube should be followed by you. So they'll be able to text you and message you, because here they'll be messaging you directly through their DM. And that is really, really wonderful. Or you can go ahead to contact Google via the, let's say, Google signing platform. But I really think X is a really, really fast method to get through to them. So come to your home to make that post. So once done, just put it here and just write at Team YouTube. Then you can also go ahead to tag Google here. So I will not be messaging them because I don't have the issue and stuff. So just tag Google also, so they'll be able to get through to it fast. So yeah, what you have to do is to post this and keep on posting till they notice you. So once they notice you, they're going to give you a reply. Always go ahead to check for your notification on your inbox also. So make sure you follow them, and they are going to text you obviously, and they will give you how to give that account back. So they will give you a link that you have to like fill in that form, whatever. So when you get to that step and you don't know what to do, you can go ahead to DM me, or sorry, comment under this post, and I'll be giving you guidelines on how to get your account back. So what you have to do is you have to follow the whole process and tell them how you forgot the password, and you have to give them as much information. For example, you have to ask yourself this: with the information I've given, if I am Google, am I going to be convinced that this account actually belongs to this user? So yeah, so that's what you have to do. So give them as much information as you. So tell them how you created the account, what device you created the account, what location you were in when you created the account. So Google will say, okay, yeah, this account actually belongs to this person. So this should work well, and you should get or retrieve your Google account back. This is how I got my even hacked YouTube account and also my Google account back to myself. I did not even forget the password, it was hacked. So this will help you recover your account. And whatever issue you still face, go ahead. So let me know in the comment section. So share this video to your friends, as it will help them get their Google account back. So like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.